about this, so I'll just skip this. We started our journey in 1971, where we were, largely or only present in Delhi, and slowly we started moving into the entire country. And by 2007, we were all across this country. And today, if we were to look at 2013, that we are a global company after the acquisition of Sylvania. So essentially, from a backyard, where we were operating in all the products that people did not even value, and if you will agree with me, then we brought some kind of change in the consumer mindset in about last 5 years. So your switches and all these products were not even considered. Today you will not buy just another switch. You will see what is the color of your wall, whether the switch really fits into your wall. And every single product that we manufacture is today aesthetically very, very high. So till 2004 we were an industrial cable company. We were into switch gears, we were into domestic cables, wires. By 2004 we were into the lighting, fans and the switch market. And in 2011 we also brought the domestic appliances, which is also a big portfolio now. We started a concept about 3-4 years back, something called Havells Galaxy, where we realized that a consumer wants a good ambience, a family. The role of a family was now important in choosing the electrical products. So it was not that a fan was chosen by the man of the house, but it was a collective decision of the family that this would look better. So this is what a concept, which is an air-conditioned shop, where our entire family can go touch feel the product and see what is best suitable for the home. So this is an ambience which a Havells Galaxy would provide, something similar which you see in our office. Coming to the switches, we have a range of modular switches in Crabtree, Havells and Standard. The first time we have entered and created a segment called premium conventional switch. So till now conventional switches were available to the consumer, but the word premium with a lot of features have added into this category now. And late last year we also launched a range of very, very high-end premium glass-based switches called Murano, which you wish to see are available in the Galaxy. Why we are saying Rio is a premium switch? Probably because it's a robust design, very, very sleek looks. This is the product. So if you remember the KitKat typical switches that were available in our houses about 15-20 years back, these switches are completely different. Virtually they are a lifetime product, very, very aesthetically appealing, and a wide range of products, and very high on quality and safety features, which is what a hallmark of a Havells product is. Conventional switches versus non-modular switches. So modular switches are manufactured with polycarbonate material, and conventional switches were till now being manufactured urea formaldehyde. This is a non-environment friendly product, and therefore we have not gone into manufacturing of urea based products. Switches market is about 3,000 crore, which is modular is about 1525 and non-modular is 1515. The growth at which the modular is growing is about 15%, and non-modular, which is the conventional switch, is growing by about 14%. So this is a typical difference between the urea and polycarbonate. I must mention once again that we only manufacture products or switches with polycarbonate material. So urea is brittle, it will break. So the moment it falls down, it will break, but this will not, unless you hammer it and break it. Urea is not recyclable, and hence it is not environment friendly, but polycarbonate is. The finish of those typical switches is not very good. The finish of these products is exactly what you will see in the modular. Manufacturing time, and therefore the quantity that we can manufacture in a urea based product is very, very little, but in a polycarbonate it is very different. So this is what we were saying, the design of this. if you remember, and I don't have that switch with me, otherwise I would have shown you. So the second figure that you see is the captive screws, which means that even if you hold it on a in a vertical position or a horizontal, the screws will not fall down. So you will never have an issue where you are holding the screw and trying to fit it by the hand and then by the screwdriver. The brass terminals there will give you much better strength. There is an arc shield which is provided on these, so therefore you will not be able to kind of just get hold the wire and pull it down. The shuttered sockets, so which is a feature of a modular switch, so a child cannot put his finger into the, so there is a shutter provided, so it is always safe for the children. Shrouded terminals, which means that you will never have an access to the live terminal, which is a wire with current. You will never be able to touch it because there is a covering of the polycarbonate material there. These are smooth and noise-free operation. They are almost tested for 1 lakh operations. This is the range where we have, so if you really see the look and feel, it is almost like, barring the fact that we have space for screws here. In modular, this screw space is not available, so you have an extra plate that comes onto this. So these are the range that we have. So everything that we can think is required by a house today, we have all that available here.
I can speak on Havells for hours and hours because I am in this organization for the last 10 years, and we had a branch meeting before you came, and we had a similar press conference yesterday. But Havells is a fast growing company. The day I joined, almost 10 years back, the company turnover was close to around 419 crores. In the year 2004, the year I joined, and I have gone through the phase, the journey where we have grown. I have gone through the journey where we were having a small office. We were not having a big offices in the Chennai or Kerala or Bangalore or this place, and we have grown. In the year 2004, we introduced lighting as well as fans. And as Anil has told that we were not present into the front end of the house, we were into the backyard because the switchgear are installed into the hidden spaces, either the cable or the wire also goes there. So with the introduction of lighting as well as the fan, we were present in the families, and the housewife or the children also were a part of taking decision into the buying model. And then we came up into the concept called as Galaxy. At present we have got 23 Galaxies in Tamil Nadu. We are planning to expand to 30 more Galaxies in the next 2 years, and which will make sure that in every town or every small place we have got a company kind of a shop where a consumer can go and buy the product. And our plus point is that I have told you that we are manufacturing our products, we are sure about the quality. And our after sales service, we have made sure in the last couple of years that we have a toll-free number on each product, including a Rio which is costing you 20 rupees or 30 rupees. The consumer only has to give a call, and we have these call centers in service center in close to around 300 cities in the country. And each city, each state, the different language person comes to that in case if someone wish to register his complaint in that particular language. So we have the call center people are competent enough to speak on the languages, and the call goes to that person who can speak that particular language in that. Across the India, anybody can log in a complaint, and we will make sure that the product is serviced within 48 hours. And some of the products like heaters and the high-end fans, we are doing the free installation also, that the consumer doesn't faces any problem while installation, because in certain products the service problems are there because of wrong installation or the mechanic not telling. And we are a company which gives close to around 12 verticals, and we are giving a products, and dealer also are happy. And chairman Shri Kimat Rai Gupta started, he was a trader at one point of time, and he has got a wisdom and a practical knowledge about the handling the dealers and all. Some of the companies are all professionally managed. They do the MBAs from foreign universities and then they come to India, they do different kind of things. But he has risen from a trader and he gives us some of the basic things about marketing, how to handle the dealer, and we should have a passion of delivering the service to the consumer, so that once the consumer is happy with one product, he will definitely go in for the other products. So, in case if you want to ask any specific question about the company, the product, or the other things and all, I will be happy.
Planning to target some
But
60 cities. You're planning to target
60 cities in Tamil Nadu, where we are not directly present, and these cities cities or town population is more than 50,000.
How much are you investing?
Pardon?
How much are you investing?
It is a part of the natural growth. We have a team of close to around 250 people in Tamil Nadu. In 4 branches, we have got Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Trichy. We have got 4 branches where we have got sales people. They only have to go and appoint a dealer for dealer expansion. For expansion, money is not required. It is our wish and our legwork for the people to go and talk to the retailers or the dealers who are not selling our products.